Welcome back to the Hot Wheels store. Last episode, we went over the super treasure hunt. In this episode, we're going to go over muscle machines. We got quite a bit of them. I like them. They're pretty sweet. They're all priced to sell. We've got prices on everything here, so. We got a few to go through. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos all the time. We also have the protectors for the smaller cars. They're $1 each. Or you can get 100 for $90 to give you a little bit of discount. If you're planning on wanting everything shipped, you're going to have to give us a call, and we can hook you up. But you're going to have to pay for the shipping. If you come in person, you can walk around the room. You can talk to Pops himself. He's the creator of this room. Yep. And we're going to get started here. This episode is Mean Machines. Muscle Machines. So getting close here. 68. Hemi Dodge. Dart. And 70 CUDA sitting here. $50. The Patriot. 57 Chevy. Dressed up just the same. I like the Build It ones. They were like my favorite when I was younger. Let's see here. 69 Camaro. I think sweet. Even comes with a screwdriver. Another 69 Camaro. And of course, up here, we've got more 69 Camaros. A whole shelf of them, but they're in all different colors. Got the black one. Got the yellow one sitting here. Another black one sitting on top. Guys, if you're interested in these, you can give us a call, but you got to talk to Pops, the guy that just walked out of there. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. Not only do we do the small collector cars, we do the large ones, the real classics, the real 69 Camaros. So check us out at maplemotors.com. Or right here on YouTube, we have a YouTube channel test driving these classics. Look how cool that is. You got multiples behind it. That may be my favorite one. I like that color. Okay. That's what he has brought in. I'm sure he's got more of them. And then right behind that, he's got some sets back here. Yeah, looking around the room here, we're going to be doing some more episodes coming up soon. He's even got the Duke's cars over here in the corner. And you can comment below. I'll try to get back with you. I also manage about 5 of the things here on social media. But your best bet is to give us a call, 615-822-4444. Ask for Pops specifically. Nobody else knows about the Hot Wheels. And there'll be more episodes to come. I believe the next one is going to be the 55 Gasser section. We got a huge one right here. And I'll be checking all those out. I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to share. Hit subscribe, share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.